which programming language we have to learn in the 2025. I'm not talking about the C, C++, Python, Java. The people in the 2025 telling him you that you have to learn the programming language like the C, C++, Python, Java right now. But the thing is that you can't get the proper domain to develop. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to get a proper domain and how to get an interest and how to work on it. So in this video we are going to see with the step by step. So if you are new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video guys. So our first step is that to find the interest in ourselves. So we have to find the interest in ourselves, like I have interested in the creativity or the analytics skill or the mathematics and the statistic problem solving or etc. This skill could be anything else. Okay, so first of all we have to find our interest, that what particular domain you are choosing. For that, before we have to choose our interest. Okay, so our first step is that to choose the interest. After finding the interest in yourself, then our next step is that to choose the particular domain. So basically we have to choose our particular domain. Like example, I have interest in the creativity and the designing, so basically I will go through the web technology. Like example, in the web technology I will go through the front end, so basically I can design the web pages. So if you are interested in the mathematical and the statistics, then you go through the data science or the AIML. So if you are interested in the analytics skill, you can go through the data science or the data analytics or the data engineering, or be like anything else. So you have to first of all choose your particular interest. After that you have to choose the domain. If you don't know that how to choose the domain, explore the more and more things. After selecting our domain, our third step and the more important step is that to explore about our domain. We have to explore more and more things about our domain. Like example, I have selected the domain as the web technology. Okay, so basically indirectly I want to become a web developer. It will be like the front end or the back end. Okay, so basically I have selected the web technology. So basically I will explore the more and more things about the web technologies, like what is mean by web technology, where it is used, what is the package of the web technology, what are the particular jobs for the web technologies. I will explore all the things. Like example, what is front end, what is back end, what are the languages are used in the front end, like example HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and at the back end we use the PHP, MySQL, and the full stack developer. Almost we will become in the web development. That's all when you understand that what is mean by the web technology. So just explore the things which you have selected the domain. After exploring the domain, then our fourth step is that to collect all the information about our domain. We have to collect the all the information like HTML videos, playlist, and the CSS playlist, and the JavaScript and the SQL. All the things we have to collect and start working on it. We have to start working on the domain. After working on it, in the step 5 we have to make the projects. Like we have to make the project of the portfolio or the clone, anything will be else. Okay, so in the step 5 we have to make the proper projects. At least 4 to 5 projects we have to make the proper projects. After making the projects, in the step 6 and the final step, we have to start applying for the internship or the placement. We have to start working on it. We have to start applying the internships and the placements, everything. Okay, so that should be very and very important. And mention your particular domain like web technology, so they can easily get you that okay, this person has the particular domain and he know all about the particular domain. Like in the web technology, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, front end and the back end, everything he know the person. Okay, they think like that. Okay, and they will select you. That is the biggest advantage of the selecting the particular domain and running behind it. You can start applying the jobs and the internships on the LinkedIn, freelancing, on every platform. You can explore the platforms. Okay, so in this video we have shown about how to select the domain and the interest. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video. Let's see you in the next video.